Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Benefit of yogurt and honey face mask. This mask is wonderful for anyone that suffers from dry skin and/or acne. It's gentle enough to use on all skin types and is safe on the most sensitive of skin, as long as one is not allergic. Organic plain yogurt is great for the skin because it will leave your skin glowing due to the low amount of acidity in it, which will restore your natural pH balance. It is also great for adding hydration to the skin and is wonderful for soothing sunburns and irritated skin. If your skin is inflamed and red from acne, yogurt will ease the pain and redness. It's a miracle drink for your skin. Make sure you don't use a reduced fat or non-fat yogurt because the more fat in the yogurt, the more it benefits your skin. It's important to use only organic yogurt if it's available, since no chemicals or pesticides are added which can irritate your skin. Honey is loaded with antimicrobial and antibacterial properties and is a natural antioxidant. Honey fights microbial infections that cause acne without irritating your skin. It will also kill acne-causing bacteria, so it will instantly reduce infections and acne from spreading. Honey gently pulls out impurities from your pores that would normally stay clogged with excess oil, acne-causing bacteria, and dead skin cells, minimizing the growth of pimples. It will also help restore your skin's texture and reduce damage done to your skin by the sun and daily environments you come in contact with. Your skin will feel soft, smooth, and fresh after using this mask. It's safe to use twice a week. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons organic plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon raw organic honey. Preparation: combine the 2 ingredients in a mixing bowl. Warm the honey for a few seconds in the microwave so it's easier to mix with the yogurt. Make sure it's not hot because it can burn your skin. Once blended well, apply the mixture to your clean face and neck and leave it on for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, rinse it off with warm water and a washcloth, then gently dry with a soft hand towel. Apply an oil-free moisturizer to your face and neck to retain moisture in your skin and keep the pH levels balanced.